Microorganisms living in the body outnumber human cells. In addition to human cells, trillions of microbes inhabit the body living on the skin and in the mouth, gut, and nose. The gastrointestinal tract, for example, normally contain complex and dynamic population of 400 to 1000 species of microorganisms that outnumber our human cells. Communicates of microorganisms that inhabit the body, often called microbiota, can cause diseases, but most of the time they live in harmony with their human host and provide vital functions that are essential for survival of their host. Although the importance of gut microbiota in the digestion of foodstuff is widely recognized, additional roles for the body's microbes in nutrition, immunity, and other functions are just beginning to be appreciated and represent an intensive area of biochemical research. Extracellular fluid, the internal environment. About 50% to 70% of the adult human body is fluid, mainly a water solution of ions and other substances. Although most of this fluid is inside the cell and is called intracellular fluid, about one third is in the spaces outside the fluid and is called extracellular fluid. This extracellular fluid is in constant motion throughout the body. It is transported rapidly in the circulating blood and then mixed between the blood and tissue fluid by diffusion through the capillary walls. In extracellular fluid are the ions, nutrients needed by the cell to maintain life.
अब बात कर लेते हैं होम्योस्टैटिक compensation in disease की। ये क्या होती है? Disease is often considered to be a state of disrupted homeostasis. However, even in the presence of a disease, homeostatic mechanism continue to operate and maintain vital function through क्या 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 लिखा हुआ है, multiple compensation. In some cases, these compensation may lead to major deviation of the body function from the normal range, making it different to distinguish from the normal range the primary cause of the disease from the compensatory responses. For example, disease that the compensatory responses ability to excrete salt and water may lead to high blood pressure, which initially helps return excretion to normal so that a balance between intake and renal excretion can be maintained. This balance is needed to maintain life, but causing even greater increase in blood pressure and more renal damage. Thus, homeostatic compensation that after injury, disease, or major vital body functions। ठीक है। और इसके अलावा यहाँ पर डिफरेंस लिखे हुए हैं एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर एंड इंट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड्स के लिए। द एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर फ्लूइड्स contain large amount of sodium and chloride and bicarbonate ions plus nutrients for the cells such as oxygen, glucose, carbon dioxide that is being transported from the cell to the lung to be excreted, plus other cellular waste products that are being transported to the kidneys for excretions. The intracellular fluid contain large amount of potassium, magnesium and phosphate ions instead of sodium and chloride found in the extracellular fluids. special mechanism for transporting ions through the cell membranes.